And Krishna, now he goes back into the lila. Krishna, I strictly follow the path of Dharma. I cannot make other men's wives my maidservants. Pointing his index finger at himself. Do you understand who I am? And the gopis say, yes, of course we do. You are the crest jewel of religious personalities. You are the Dharma Dwaj Shiromani. You are the Dharma Dwaj Shiromani. You are the crest jewel of all flag wavers of Dharma. Dharma Dwaj Shiromani. Yeah, yes, of course. And you may say that you refuse to make the cowherds' wives your maidservants. However, by force, you have already taken Lakshmi, the wife of Narayan, from Vaikuntha, and now are carrying her around on your chest. But out of modesty, being shy in front of others, Lakshmi has assumed the form of a golden line on the left side of your chest so she can sport prominently. Shriyaika Ramanam. Because the last line of the verse says, Vaksha Shriyaika Ramanam. Besides, Shyam, we know for certain that within all the 14 worlds, and even above these worlds in Vaikuntha, beyond this universe, you never reject any beautiful woman, no matter who she is or whom she belongs to. Because Swakiya means married life, and Swakiya means belonging to me. Swakiya means my wife. This is my wife. This is my husband. But you are Parakiya. There's Amar and there's Paramar. So Parakiya means belonging to another. So this is the conclusion of Vishwanath Chakravarti's Tika, and this is the conclusion of our discussion today on verse 39.